guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today's going to be, I guess, a mishmash vlog. Anyway, we're going to go into the city. We're going to go check out this cafe called Cafe Lafayette. I will feature this more heavily on my other channels, so if you guys would like to check it out, I'll link it on the screen and down in the description box down below. It's been a while since I've vlogged. Yeah, so we're going to go check out this cafe. I need to also go into an Optus store and switch over my phone to one of their postpaid plans. I'm currently on a prepaid plan and I have spent so much money on extra data because my phone just keeps using it, like. So yeah, I'm going to go get one of their new plans. I think it's an unlimited data plan, but I think the speed goes down significantly once you've used up your allowed data. Like I can't remember. I think it was like 10 gigabytes and then it reduces it down to 1.5 megabytes per second, which is still fine. All I needed to do is just be able to still check my Instagram, messages, and maybe some light YouTube here and there while I'm out and about. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And then I don't know, maybe my partner and I will wander around depending on how we feel. It's just going to be like a day of errands pretty much on top of this like cafe checking out place. I'm inside a Priceline. I'm just grabbing a couple of things like hair dye because I want to touch up my roots. I'm using this one from Revlon. Alright guys, we're back in the car and I think my lipstick's smudged, I think. Can't tell. Anyway, we're going to go to a shopping centre closer to home to go to an Optus store because in the city it's like so packed, so many people, and yeah, COVID, so I'm trying to play it safe. So I think the shopping centre near my place is a little less crowded at this time of day. It's also sort of raining at the moment. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, I didn't bring my umbrella, so we're just going to go there. Probably going to be easier, and hopefully we can get everything sorted at that store, because I remember last time I had to switch over from prepaid to postpaid. It took a little bit of time. Hey guys, so we are back home and we're supposed to go to the Optus store, but it started to really pour down, as you guys can see. I just didn't really want to go out, and my partner thought it wasn't a good idea. I might have just got drenched. We didn't have an umbrella, unfortunately, in the car. So as you guys saw, we went to Priceline and grabbed a couple of things. So I want to redo my roots because I think you guys can see my roots are peeking through, and if I leave it too long I get a little bit of banding, like really horrible banding I should say. So I'm just going to use this to either lift that or I'm going to bleach my roots. I'm not really sure what I want to do just yet. I also got a couple of requests from you guys to do an application video, because I have one but it's like from 2012, so it's like really old, like how I apply color to my roots. So yeah, I'm gonna try and figure out the logistics of how to place the camera in certain ways so that I can film the back of my head. I don't know. Yeah, but we'll see how that goes. And then I also grabbed this duo pack. So Renew Sensitive by Bosch & Lomb. Guys probably know I wear contact lenses all the time, and yeah, this is one of my favorite ones to use just because I do have dry eyes, and these are the only ones that seem to really hydrate my eyes. I've tried out different brands that you guys can get from the supermarkets and drugstores, but a lot of them don't really give me the hydration that I need for the whole day, if that makes sense, because I wear my contacts definitely more than 12 hours. Like, I think you're not supposed to, but glasses sometimes make me really dizzy. I don't know if you guys have that problem too, where if you wear contact lenses during the day, like first thing in the morning you pop them on and then you come home, you wear your glasses and you go back out, I get dizzy. Like, that's me. So I always try and just wear my contacts until I'm really sure that I don't have to go out anymore. Treadmill there and exercise bike. Anyway, my partner and I are going to go back to the shopping centre. It is a complete 360 today. It's like really bright and sunny, but it is still fairly cold. It's 15 degrees Celsius, so that's pretty chilly, to be honest. I feel like the sun's going to be nice and warm, but I feel like it's going to be a nice cold breeze as well. So yeah, I'm going to go into the Optus store, get all that sorted, and then head into, I think, Kmart, just grab a couple of things that we need around the house. Maybe a supermarket as well. I think my partner said that we needed something as well. I don't really remember, but I also know we need some kitchen towels, like those paper towels. Yeah, and then come home, and then I'm going to probably exercise and then do my roots. I was going to bleach my roots, but I think we can still get away with just touching up the colour, and then I'm going to do that video that a lot of you guys have requested, just to like demonstrate how I do my roots. So let's go. Okay, so I've just finished at Optus, and now I'm just at Aldi, just grabbing a couple of things that we need. I'm feeling like we want some cookies, so I haven't been to Aldi in quite some time, so I thought, let's go inside and grab a couple of snacks. Maybe this looks good. Some essentials, some toilet paper, and I'm also going to need some kitchen roll. We're back home. As you guys saw, did a little bit of grocery shopping, and our delivery has arrived. So we ordered stuff from this company, YouFoodz. Sorry if you guys can see that. That's like a little bottle. I'm kind of like putting you guys on a little shelf. So yeah, we decided to try out this food service because I tend to finish quite late, and it's really hard for me to meal prep. Like I'll try and meal prep, but I'll only be able to make dinners like maybe for 2 nights, and then the rest of the week it's kind of just like if I get home early enough I'll cook, otherwise we'll do takeout. So I thought, you know, why don't we try out one of these food boxes? And YouFoodz is one of those companies where it's all already pre-made, and you just want it in the microwave, and you can get them from Woolies and Coles as far as I'm aware as well, but you can order from them directly. So yeah, just ordered a couple of things, maybe just enough for 4 dinners, 4 lunches throughout the week, and if it tastes good, it all works out, we'll order some more and then just continue using them. So yeah, this arrived while we were out and about, so this is what's inside. Alright, so it comes in this big box, and you've got sort of like this bubble wrap foil thing. I'm assuming this is more for like temperature control, and then it comes with these ice packs. As far as I know, you can like open these and then just chuck them. I'll have to look on their website on how to dispose of these properly, but they do have like a whole section of how to dispose of them properly. But yeah, these are the meals that we've got, and these are portion sized as well, so they have larger portion sizes as well if you prefer larger meals. But again, I kind of wanted to keep things a little bit on the healthier side of things. I also really appreciate the fact that it has like all the calories, protein, carbs, that sort of stuff. I'm not very particular about the number of calories and carbs these days. It's really just more whether or not they're healthier. So these guys feel like they're just going to be popped into the fridge, but I think I'm going to pop some of them into the freezer as well, just because you obviously don't really want all of these in the fridge when they might go off soon. So just to give you guys a little overview of what we've got some char grilled chicken with chipotle mayo. That's for me. My partner doesn't eat spicy foods. This one is my partner's. This one's barbecue beef, meatballs, and potato salad. But yeah, there's just so many options, and I just grabbed one of each pretty much for both of us to try out. Like this one, oof, this one looks good. I love chorizo, so can't wait to try that out. If you guys have tried out YouFoodz or any of the other sort of like meal delivery services like this that are pre-made here in Australia, definitely let me know what your experience is like, because I am keen to try out others as well. But yeah, I feel like this is a decent amount. Alright guys, so that's pretty much the end of the vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed coming along with me, running some errands, checking out a cafe. And yeah, if you guys would like to see more vlogs of me, head over to my vlogging channel. It's definitely going to be a little bit more touristy, I suppose. I'm really not sure what direction I'm going to go with that channel just yet. I kind of want to make it like touristy, but I feel like it also has to be a little bit personal, so we'll see how things go. I think I'm just going to still continue uploading a vlog here and there on this channel as well. But yeah, definitely let me know what you guys prefer, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.